Hey guys, we've made it to the last week of school and we're going to be doing a math lesson today. Fractions to tell time. This is going to be our last second grade lesson, and congratulations for finishing strong and being here in the last week. I'm excited for you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to talk to you about taking a circle, making it into equal parts, dividing it into equal parts, and then how we use that to tell time. Okay, this is going to be a short and sweet lesson. Here we go. So if I wanted to show 1/4, I'll scoot this over so you can see it, 1/4, I'm going to divide the circle into 4 equal parts, like that, and then I'm just going to shade in one part all the way, so that shows 1/4. We also call that a quarter, okay? Not 25 cents quarter, but it's actually a quarter of an hour, 15 minutes. We're going to talk about that in just a second. Okay, here's another circle. We are going to divide into fourths. We're going to color 2 of them, 2/4. We also, if you look at it, we call that a half, okay? And then this is the word half. So we've done 1/4 or a quarter. We've done 2/4, which is a half, which is the word half. Okay. Now we're going to go to a circle divided into 4 ways, and we are going to shade in 3/4. Okay. When we shade in 3/4, that can actually be called 3/4. Okay. That's the same thing as saying 3/4. And then the last one, 4/4, if we divide it into fourths and we circle and shade in 4/4 like this, you can see I actually shaded in the whole circle. Okay, that equals 1. So the shade in is 4/4, 1, or the word whole. Okay, now let's go back to the word quarter, which we said was 1/4. A quarter is 15 minutes. Okay, that means it's a quarter of an hour. An hour is 60 minutes. So we have 15, 15, 15, and 15. Okay, so 1/4 is 15 minutes. 2/4 would be 30 minutes. 3/4 would be 45 minutes. And 4/4 would be 60 minutes, which is the same thing as 1 hour. Okay, and why that helps is when you're looking at the time on a clock, it's good for you to know that we've got 5, 10, 15. That's 1/4. And then 20, 25, 30, that's 1/2. 35, 40, 45. That would be 45 minutes, which is 3/4. And if you see how it can be divided just like a circle, it can help you tell time. Now, a lot of y'all know how to tell time. If you were to look at this, the shorthand is pointing at the number 4. Very good. And the long hand is pointing at the 12, which makes it what time? 4 o'clock. I hope that's what you said. 4 o'clock. Very good. So I've got a few problems here that we can try to solve real quick together. Okay. And I'm going to turn my camera this way so you can see 4:45. Okay. 4:45 means it's a quarter, 15 minutes to 5 o'clock. Okay, so if I were to move the minute hands, a quarter, 15 minutes till 5 would be 4:45. Okay, that's 15 minutes till 5 o'clock. Okay, now our next one is 5:30. Half. So we go to our half and we know that is 30 minutes. So 30 minutes after 5, this is 5 o'clock, okay? 30 minutes would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 5:30. If you see that, it is 5:30. 30. That shorthand, the minute hand, is pointing to the 30. So that's 5:30. Okay, our next one is 5:15. So that's pretty easy. We go back in time just a little tiny bit. On this clock, you can do that. And it's 5, the hour 5, and then 5, 10, 15. So the long hand is pointing at the 3, which notice that's 1/4, which is 15 minutes. Okay, and that's 5:15. Quarter after 5. Okay, now if we were to do a quarter after 5, we would start at 5. Okay, and we would go back to our thing that showed us 1/4 is 15 minutes. So if I ask you for the quarter after 5, that's 15 minutes after 5. So we move it 5, 10, 15. This is also 5:15. So you can say 5:15. You can say a quarter after 5. And that's the same thing. Oh. And then let's see the next one. 4:45. Okay. So we have to go back in time, which is kind of fun on this clock. 4:45. Now, notice that the shorthand is between the 4 and the 5. That means it is not 5 o'clock just yet, but it is almost 5 o'clock. So it's only 15 minutes to 5. So 4:45, if you back up just a little bit, is going to be pointing right around here, almost 5 o'clock. It's called 4:45. So just a quick review. We've learned that fractions can tell time. Okay, and I'm going to move this just over just a little tiny bit. Fractions can tell time. 15 minutes, a quarter of an hour is 15 minutes. 2/4, 2/4 is a half an hour, 30 minutes. 3/4, okay, we write the word 3/4, 3/4, 45 minutes. And then all 4/4 is one, a whole, and that's actually 60 minutes. Okay, I think y'all have done such a great job this year. I am so proud of you. You've learned so much in math and in all the subjects. Great job. We will see you soon.